Hey everyone, Slow Rider here. So, got something exciting today. If you guys have seen my recent videos, I've talked about a little bit about a new motorcycle. We are buying everything for the new motorcycle and the type of riding we'll be doing. More than the hills and more than tracks or more than the city travel, this is going to be long adventure trips that I'll be going on. So once the lockdown finishes in all the states, once the COVID situation finishes in all the states, it should be good to travel. So we should be able to travel up freely. What I replaced is my helmet. So for the motorcycle, we've got a few different types of helmets you can buy. And the one that I'm moving from is a street helmet to an adventure type of helmet. This is my current street helmet. So this is a Shoei GT Air. It's very dirty because I took it on a recent ride with a lot of bugs. We had. So this helmet is a road helmet, you call it. It's one of the best helmets you can buy in the market. And there's a new version to it, GT Air 2. I've had this helmet for about 14 years, I've had this about since 2014 and 6 years now, so I've had it for 6 years. It's been a really good helmet. You can see there's a GoPro mount here, there's a GoPro mount here. I've also got a Scalar Rider QZ attachment here and my microphone that goes in here. Plus it has also got the inner visor, which is that. So if you go, see, this is a really good. Yeah. So this is a really good build quality for helmet. So that's why Shoeis are known for it. Shoeis are known for good helmet quality and safe as well. These guys are safe. And how is that? So see. It's a pretty good helmet there, really, and it has served very well for me on the road. It's got the D-ring as well, so it's a D-ring helmet style. It's got a chin mount as well. Out of all these years, I've dropped it a few times, really, from the motorcycle, and I've also got the scratches on it. So once I dropped it really hard. I never had accidents with this one, touch wood, and hopefully with the new one as well, I never have accidents and keep going on. These ones, the vents are really good in this one. The vents, I actually use the vents a lot, and whenever I'm traveling on a high distance, I will close the vents if it's in winter, and if I'm like, okay, it's summer, but I need the vents, I need the air coming through, I will open them. For some reason this has gone really tight since the last time I rode. So with this helmet, let's see if I put it on, right? So of course when you're putting on the helmet, you don't need the glasses. And there. Oh, snug fit, it's a very good fit. I have got a little bit of movement. That's the movement I get off this one. And this is a size L, if I'm not wrong. That's what my current helmet is. This is my road helmet. This will be what I'll be wearing when I'm riding my Daytona and also when I'm going through the streets of Melbourne. It also comes with a pin lock system. Pin lock system works really good. And yeah, what else do I have to say about this helmet? Oh yeah, the cheek pads. So I've replaced the cheek pads once. So my cheek pads got old, I started feeling a little bit more movement, and I spent about $80, probably about a year or so ago, and I got the new cheek pads. Yeah, it's also got the emergency unlock system as well, so if in case of an accident, people can just move this and the helmet comes off easily. So this one cost me about, I can't remember now. It was quite expensive one back in the day. It was about $700-800, $800-900 Australian dollars. This is what I'm talking about. If I find the price for this one, I'll put in somewhere in the video. But the GT Air is no longer available. The GT Air 2 is available. And yeah, as a long-term rider, it's been really good. It's a really good helmet. If I was buying another bike that is more for the road and not for adventure that much, and not for long distance that much, I would have still kept the same helmet. I would have gone with to maybe another GT Air, or just not worth upgrading really. Oh, I just noticed I've actually got the okay, the paint's come off here as well. So yeah, this has been used very well. It's been used a lot, you know. So yeah, that's my road helmet now. What happens? The bugs are coming out of the helmet, you know. Now it's time to upgrade to an adventure rider helmet. There were really good competitors for this one. So there were mainly 3 competitors: the Climb, another Shoei, Hornet, and the third one was the Arai XD. So you can see these 3 are the high-end models. However, with Climb, when I was watching reviews on YouTube, they were like, the build quality is not that great, but it's the lightest helmet out of the 3. Arai and Shoei, they were pretty much close by. They were pretty much similar type of helmet. So I ended up getting this one. That's the one. That's the one I ended up getting. You know. So let's have a look. The color is. Hey, it did come with the. Okay, so yeah, when I was at the place, when I was actually buying this helmet, I did not see the bag. So I was like, oh, they don't come with the bag anymore. But no, actually it does come with the bag. You can see the peak. There's a peak here. Ready? Oh, white and red. So you know what color the motorcycle I'm getting. There you go. That's the new helmet. What's it got? So it's about the same price. It's about I actually got a good price actually on it. It was $899 retail price. I got it for $799. However, let's open this. Oh, look at that. That's the new Arai helmet. It's an XD-4, I believe. So EC XD-4 it's called in Australia for some reason. But yeah. So you can see the shape is a little bit different. So it's more of a concave shape than the round shape. And also it's got the beak. That's the new thing. And ooh, there. It's got 1 vent here, 2 vents on the side. Then it also has for my eyebrows so that they stay as fresh. So I've got eyebrows lock. And then I've also got the vents over on the top here. So you can see that, but here's the vent. And then there's 2 exhaust vents. And then there's like a, is this vent? Okay, apparently these are vents as well, I guess. Yeah, and it also comes with a D-ring system, and the pads, they feel similar. They don't feel different. It also got emergency tab inside. Push spoiler up into chin bar before putting the helmet on. Okay, so it says put spoiler into chin. So it's got spoiler of some reason. It's here. There. That's a spoiler, you know. So this can go up. So it's a chin spoiler, little chin spoiler, like the other helmet had one. The good thing about this helmet was it fit really well over the Hornet. So I tried the Hornet one, but this actually felt really tight. So this felt amazing. That is why I went with this one. There are a few drawbacks to this helmet that are, I'm okay with it. I'll have to probably trade for the comfort that I'm gonna get. The drawback was that it does not come with the inner visor anymore. So my other helmet comes with inner visor, this one doesn't come with. And I actually read on the internet that it does come, like there are Hornets, the Shoei Hornet helmets, they come with the inner visor, but when I was there, the guys were like, nah, they don't come with the inner visor. None of the adventure helmets come with the inner visor. So I was like, okay, fine, that's not a big deal then if none of them come with the inner visor. Ooh, that is so satisfying. And then also, this one, you need a screwdriver if I want to open these ones. So, again, yeah, I'll deal with it. I'll have to carry a screwdriver or a maybe 5-cent coin, you know, to open it if I want to take it out while I'm on a long trip. I don't know how this is going to be on the long trips or how tiring it will be, but considering all the reviews on YouTube and everywhere what I read about it, they're similar, right? So the Shoei Hornet and this one is similar very much, but this one actually felt tighter. This felt tight really, really good. So that's why I went with it. What's in the box? What's in the box? That. And some lubricant that this is. And a warning label. That's it. That's all I get. So there's this lubricant on it. It's for the helmet of some sort. Comes with this little book. On the book we have... Oh, the pads here. Let's see what this... Oh, I know what it is. So, when I take the helmet off, I'm guessing, so when I take this beak off, I can put this on instead and, you know, cover it up so that I don't have to... Yeah, that's what they are for. So this is for the right and that's for the left. Yeah. Okay, cool, makes sense. Then we got a few stickers, of course. We got a lot of stickers here, different types of stickers. And then we have got the explanation about how to do the, what are these for? So that's fine, I can figure it out. Okay. And there's some more paperwork, warranty paperwork and everything. So there it is, guys. That's the helmet. I'll try it on. It has got a lot of vents, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the exit is 1, 2, 3, 4, and also there's on the bottom here 5 exits. So made in Japan, and head size is L, 59 centimeters. Both these helmets have got different shape. So one of them is intermediate shape and one of them is like intermediate oval and round oval. So this one, I think this one's a different shape than my Shoei GD Air, but it feels really, really good though. Oh. Yep. So good things about this helmet is my ears are no longer going cross. With that one it did happen sometimes and I had to like shake it to fit in. This one fits in right in. This one fits in really, really good. There you go. My glasses can also go through. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like the little handle that they've given us, so it's really easy to put it down and up. Okay, let's try this glove here. So even if I was to do this glove and go, yeah, it's pretty good, very good feel to it. No, it's a little bit heavier I feel than that one, but I guess it's because of the P baguette there. So there's something else that's going on this helmet, which is this guy. So, oh wait, this guy. So it'll be this guy, he will be going on the helmet, so probably on this side somewhere, and I'll figure it out, probably somewhere here it'll go. And I'll also put the GoPro, probably I'll put actually multiple GoPros here. So I can go one here, one probably on the beak here, one somewhere maybe, everywhere. So we can put GoPros everywhere on this one. But yeah, this actually feels different than what my current Shoei helmet is. Okay. So guys, that's it. That's the two helmets that I own now. I've had Shark helmet before. Before the Shoei one, I had Shark one. What happened to that one? Oh, I remember what happened to that. I actually had an accident at a very slow speed, and I got rid of that after that. It was like I was going down the hill on a gravel road. I dropped it, so I just got rid of the helmet entirely and got the new Shoei helmet. Then before that I had another helmet. I can't remember what helmet I had. It was not Shoei, it was not Shark, it was not Arai, or this is the first Arai helmet I ever had. And the other helmet I had was, can't remember really. Can't remember the name of it. But the problem with that helmet was it was cheap. I bought it online, so I did not really try it, and when I got it, it was just noisy and it was loose as well. So always, that was a lesson learned, always buy your helmet after you try it.